Today we're going to learn about synonyms. Synonym. Synonym means words that have the same meaning. A trick to remember synonym is that synonym starts with S and same starts with S. So synonym means same. This is a list of synonyms. Happy means the same thing that glad does. Big means the same thing large does. Mad means the same thing as angry, and yell means the same thing as shout. Happy and glad are synonyms. Big and large are synonyms. Mad and angry are synonyms. And yell and shout are synonyms. Again, synonym means they have the same meaning. You have to be careful though, because sometimes we start to think if something means the same or it happens at the same time, it might not have the same meaning though. So sad and tears are not synonyms. Because if you look, sad means to feel sorrow or unhappy. Tears means a drop of salt water comes from one's eyes. They do not mean the same thing. Sometimes when you're sad, you do cry, but they don't have the same meaning. You can't put sad and tears in a sentence and flip the words and it still mean the same thing. Like the boy was sad, you can't say the boy was tears. It wouldn't make sense. So here, if we have sad, it means feeling sorry or unhappy. That's what it means. Tears, a drop of salt water coming from one's eyes. And gloomy means unhappy. So gloomy and sad are synonym. Tears is not. If you're not sure if it's a synonym, add a word to the sentence and ask yourself, does it make sense? And does it mean the same thing? The boy lost his dog and was sobbing. So if I want to think of a synonym for sobbing, I can add the word crying. The boy lost his dog and was crying. It makes sense in the sentence, and I know crying and sobbing mean the same thing. Again, the piece of dust was so small that I couldn't even see it. We can replace small with teeny. The piece of dust was so teeny that I couldn't even see it. When it's in the sentence, it makes sense, and I know that they mean the same thing. Let's look at these ones. What would be a synonym for rug? See if you can see it over here. Yes, carpet. They mean the same thing. They have the same meaning. Gift. See if you can find one. Yes, present. They are the same meaning, so they are synonyms. Small, tiny, those mean the same thing. They are synonyms. Garbage, another word for garbage is trash. Beautiful, pretty, they are synonyms. Look and glance are synonyms. So each one is a pair of synonyms. They mean the same thing. Now see if you can try synonyms. Write on the piece of paper that was given